everybody, today I'm doing, as we kind of already saw in that intro, a JEFFREE Star Palette unboxing. Okay, so I'm very excited about this. Clearly it already came because I scribbled my address and last name out. Look at this, that's so cute! So this came last night and I've been waiting for so long to open this, like unbelievably a long time. For some reason my dad ordered 2 palettes, that's why my box is so big. I don't know what I'm doing with the second palette, but oh, it's so cute. Wait, look, wait. Literally everything is so cute. Oh, and it's packaged really nicely. There's bubble wrap in there too, but just look how adorable. Like, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm feeling good vibes in this one, so we're gonna open this one. Okay, so right off the bat, everything is like really nice. Like, also this is gonna be totally biased. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you because I literally watched their series like every single time that it came out, and I was so excited, and I just love Shane and Jeffree. So when I saw that they were doing this, I just had to get it. Gosh, wait, this is so cute. I'm gonna stop and chill out. So, how do I open this? Wait. It's so nice. Wait, what the heck? So we can see, like, this is just like how I saw it, like in the video. Like, it literally doesn't look any different on camera than it does in real life. It's just as nice. By the way, I've never had any of Jeffree's palettes, and I already wanted to get one before. So when I saw this was coming out, I just like knew this was the palette that I was going to get. Like, it was meant to be. So anyways, I'm just excited in general, but okay, so wow. First off, the colors are like pretty much the same as camera. They're like the brighter ones are like even more like vibrant in real life. But I'm noticing that the pan size is so much bigger than it looks like on camera. Like, I don't know, in their videos the pan size looks smaller, but this is huge. Like honestly, like, look at my finger. Like, this is like 2 of my fingers, which is actually pretty good compared to some other palettes that I've tried in the past. This is so nice. Like, I don't even know what to say. I'm not a beauty guru. I don't even really wear eyeshadow, but I can tell you right now that this top pan looks really wearable. So let's do swatches because I'm crazy and I don't even know how to do swatches, but we're gonna try because I just love this.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we've seen my swatches. I'm quite horrible, but my swatches aren't even doing it justice. So why don't we just do a look?
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So, I don't really know, like, how I feel about this.
3 days later.
Everyone I talked to, like everyone of our friends, they were like, that palette looks so crazy, like how are you supposed to wear that every single day? And I don't agree. I think you can.
I think you can.
Cause like the top row, like
Those are probably like neutral.
oh my god. We're gonna use the top row and try to do like a normal look because people don't believe that you can do that, and I think you can. Okay, I'm gonna start with my pills. Okay, so that's like the pink shade. I don't know, I feel like it could be a good base. Even the pink shade is pigmented. Okay, now I'm gonna take Tannicon, and it says nude shade, and it actually is more pigmented than it looks. Now I have the brown shade on. You can't really see it on the camera, but you can see it in my mirror, so. Okay, now I'm taking Diet Root Beer, and I'm using that to like deepen my crease. Is it gonna focus? Can you see it? Hope you can see it. My highlight is really good. So now I'm taking Just a Theory and putting it on my lid. Look at that! It's so pretty. Okay, now we're gonna take Spiraling. It's a darker shade. I'm gonna put that in that right here. I'm gonna put Ranch in the right here. We're gonna finish this off with mascara and then we'll see what the final look is. Okay, so this is the final look. It's really pretty. You see that? You see that? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay, so that's it. I really like this palette. This review is completely biased because I just love Shane and Jeffree anyways. But you should get it next time it restocks. 10 out of 10 recommend. And peace out. Bye.